From flying frogs to cloud formations, these are 10 natural phenomena that science cannot explain. 10. Slippery stones. Slippery or mobile stones are a geological phenomenon in which rocks move without human or animal intervention. They are usually found in the Valley of Death in California, on the so-called Racetrack Beach. And in 2013, they were also found for the first time in the town of Lillo in Spain. The stones move every 2 or 3 years, leaving long traces like a furrow on a flat surface. And until now, it is not known exactly how they do it. A hypothesis suggests that it is produced by strong winds that blow on a layer of ice that is usually formed in the rocks. 9. Chaos buzz. It is a phenomenon that involves a series of reports about a persistent sound of low frequency, but that is not audible to all people. The buzzes have been widely reported by the US media, especially in the city of Taos in the state of New Mexico. They describe such a sound as that of a diesel engine sounding through the windows. Nobody knows why it occurs, and it has been reported that only 2% of the population can hear it. 8. Animal rain. Although hearing that animals rain seems absurd, it is actually a phenomenon that existed hundreds of years ago. For example, this recording from the year 1555 shows a rain of fish and could be a small evidence of that. Generally, the rains are composed of fish or frogs, and scientists believe that it is due to the action of strong winds generated by trunks or tornadoes that can pick up and transport animals. 7. Transitory light effect. The transitory light effects are electrical discharge phenomena that occur in the upper atmosphere. They include 2 in particular: red or spectra phenomena and the huge blue streaks. Normally, spectra have an orange-reddish coloration and present a form of hanging tentacles. In addition, they can reach distances ranging from 80 to 150 kilometers above the surface of the Earth. 6. Globular ray. The globular ray, also known as a spark, is a natural phenomenon related to electrical storms. It takes the form of a bright floating object that, unlike the brief discharge of the common ray, is persistent. It can move slowly or quickly, or remain almost stationary. It can also make sibilant, creaking sounds, or make no noise at all. It is not known what causes it, but theories range from ionized plasmas to self-generated magnetic fields. 5. Hesledon lights. They are a luminous phenomenon recurrent in the Hesledon Valley in Norway. These lights are well known and have been recorded and studied by physicists since the 1950s. A possible explanation attributes the phenomenon to a combustion process in contact with air by dust clouds containing scandium. This is one of the chemical elements belonging to the so-called rare earths, which include difficult chemical elements to find. Some of these lights are sometimes identified as planes, celestial objects, or paranormal phenomena. 4. Naga fireballs. They are red-colored balls similar to artificial rockets that have been seen for centuries in the Mekong River in Thailand. They naturally emerge from the water and can reach heights of up to 100 meters before disintegrating. It is believed that they can be the product of the interaction of plasma with an electric source on the surface of the water, or a colorless or flammable gas called phosphine that can explode under certain environmental circumstances. The natives, on the other hand, believe that they are produced by the snake god Naga. 3. Earthquake lights. Earthquake lights are an unusual luminous aerial phenomenon, similar in appearance to boreal aurora. They appear in the sky above or near areas with seismic activity or volcanic eruptions, and are especially visible at night. Although there are several theories that try to explain this phenomenon, none has been proven. 2. Mastodontic cloud, or mammoth. The mastodontic cloud gets its name for its unusual shape, similar to the tits of a pregnant dog. They consist of a pattern of cells that pile up masses of clouds on their bases, which end up forming a cluster or vertical development. Its base is usually less than 2 kilometers high, while the top can reach 15 to 20 kilometers high. It is very common to find them during the development of a tornado or electric storm, although it is not known what its true origin is. 1. Jalea star. The Jalea star is a translucent and gelatinous substance that can be found between trees and plains anywhere in the world. They are supposedly sequels to meteor showers. But due to their sporadic appearance and lack of evidence, scientists still have no idea where they come from. There are people who think they could be remnants of frogs, worms, or even something paranormal.